Hey guys, it's Sandy and we're back with another back to school tutorial to get your nails ready for your first week back to class. Miri and I will be showing you 5 easy and cute designs inspired by traditional back to school symbols. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know down in the comments which design is your favorite. As always, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help to protect your nails from staining and it will prolong the life of your manicure. Let's get designing. The first design is the top of a pencil. To begin, start off by painting your nail with a yellow nail polish. Once it's dry, stroke a pink polish across the top for an eraser. Then clean off any excess nail polish with a flat brush and nail polish remover. Next, take some orange nail polish and dip a small paintbrush into it. Draw 3 vertical lines coming down from the eraser. You could also use an orange striper for this. Then add a vertical line using a metallic silver polish between the eraser and the wood. Again, clean up any excess polish and you're done! So cute! The next design is lined paper. It's one of my all-time favorite back-to-school designs because it's so quick, easy, and cute. For this design, paint your nail white, and then use a long, thin paintbrush or a light blue striper and add a bunch of thin horizontal lines across your nail. Give it a couple minutes to dry, and then add a thin vertical pinkish-orange line on the left side to complete it. Super cute and simple! Up next is the ruler nail. Begin by painting your nail with whatever color you'd like the ruler to be. We chose purple. Once that's dry, go in with a darker shade of the color and add 3 short lines to the side of your nail, with 2 even shorter ones in between those 3. Use the small paintbrush again to add the numbers 1, 2, and 3 next to the longest lines. Take your time while you do this and have both hands rested on the table. All done! The fourth design is the classic apple. Is it common to give your teachers apples in your country? Let us know down in the comments. Start with a pale blue base and then add 2 curved strokes onto the tip of your nail for the top of the apple using red polish. Then take some brown polish and add the stem of the apple by drawing a little triangle. For the leaf, add an oval using a light green polish. Then you can add in some detail by outlining it with a darker green. The final design is a school chalkboard. Begin with a black nail polish. Once dried, add a little white acrylic paint onto some plastic or tinfoil, and then mix it with a little water to give it a smooth and chalk-looking appearance. Using a tiny paintbrush, write some math equations, alphabet letters, or doodles over the chalkboard. All done! Finish off all of your designs with a top coat. We added a matte one over all of the nails, but you could also choose to use a glossy one. Although, if you opt for the glossy, it would still be nice to do the matte on the chalkboard nail to give it a more realistic appearance. What day will you be heading back to school? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out more nail tutorials here on CutePolish by clicking the info card in the top right corner. Also, go subscribe to Miri's personal channel. The link will be in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you next time!